Microfiber Mop, this isn't just a mop. It's a design marvel, a versatile wonder, and a practical solution to make your cleaning routine a breeze. Microgleam Pro is your cleaning companion, turning every swipe into a note in the harmonious melody of a spotless home. Let's delve into the design, for Microgleam Pro isn't just a mop, it's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its sleek and modern design makes it a standout addition to your cleaning tools. This is not just a cleaning implement, it's an intelligently designed solution that seamlessly integrates into your cleaning routine, becoming a visual delight. It's not just a mop, it's an aesthetic upgrade to the concept of floor care. But what truly sets Microgleam Pro apart is its cleaning prowess. This microfiber mop doesn't just clean your floors, it does so with a touch of innovation. The ultra-absorbent and durable microfiber pads effortlessly trap and lift away dirt, dust, and grime, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Whether you're tackling hardwood, tile, or laminate floors, Microgleam Pro becomes the guardian of your spotless home, providing you with the freedom to enjoy a clean and healthy living space. It's not just a mop, it's a symphony of cleaning precision. Versatility is Microgleam Pro's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to a specific floor type, it adapts to your diverse cleaning needs. The 360-degree swivel head allows for easy maneuverability, reaching every nook and cranny. Whether you're dealing with spills in the kitchen, dust in the living room, or footprints in the hallway, Microgleam Pro is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of floor care. It's not just a mop, it's an avant-garde solution to your cleaning precision. Operation is a breeze with Microgleam Pro. No need for complicated setups or intricate instructions. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily assemble, use, and maintain your microfiber mop. The adjustable handle caters to your comfort, providing you with a customizable cleaning experience. The sturdy construction ensures stability, making Microgleam Pro a reliable cleaning companion for your household chores. It's not just a mop, it's an easy upgrade to a world of cleaning efficiency. Now, let's talk about the experience. Microgleam Pro isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a sensory delight. The smooth glide of the mop, the efficient cleaning action, and the overall enhancement of your cleaning routine.
And then just spray and wipe. Spray and mop. That's it.